Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a famous place where you must go. If you are a single boy, then 100% you need to go. Till now, no Indian YouTuber explained about this secret place. Actually, presently I am walking in Panjim city, and my left side you can see a famous church which is situated in Panjim city. Its name is Our Lady of Conception Church. But in today's video, I'm not going to explain about this place. If you want to know about this place, you can go to my channel and check it. I made many videos about this place, but today's video I am going to explain about a popular, interesting and marvelous place which is situated little ahead from here, where you can get lot of girls, you can do photography and you can enjoy a lot. And if you want to eat international food, and then you must go in this place. But in today's video, I will also explain about unknown girls in Goa, where you can see, how you can see and how you can meet them. Let's go ahead and show you everything about this secret, interesting and marvelous place. It is the route you have to come ahead from Our Lady of Conception Church and follow this route, and I just reached in this famous place. This is a visual. Visual means a Christian community said it is a place where you can ask, where you can beg all your wish. If you will if you will tell any wish in front of this well, then all will be complete. And here you can see this is the totally Portuguese colony here, where you can see Portuguese sculpture, Portuguese art, Portuguese people, and even you can hear Portuguese language here. If you little bit know about Portuguese language, you can talk with these local pupils. It is in Goa, it is not in Portugal, it is not in Brazil, because this is a ancient Portuguese colony in Goa, where you can see lot of things, lot of beautiful things. Let's go ahead and show you everything about this place. Here you can see international tourists, Indian tourists and lot of foreigner tourists as well. As you are watching, these foreigners, girls and couples were going from here, and this is a Portuguese colony in Goa, and this is the Portuguese house, where you can see lot of colorful painting in their houses and a different type of window where you can feel a Portuguese art. This type of window you will never see in other places in India. If you want to see, you have to come here and then you can see. I am walking in this Portuguese colony. Here is many restaurant, many cafe where you can enjoy international food as well. And this home is also colored with different way, and you can see there is a house that color is yellow. Here you will see different houses in different colors and in different window and in different style. This is a Portuguese colony, and there is a church, but in left side you can see, as you are watching, Dr. Fonseca Pathology and Laboratory is here. As you are watching, this is a Christian name, and all Christian community live here. They live here before independence of India, because when Goa was slave under Portuguese peoples, all Portuguese officers, Portuguese family live here, and presently also lot of people, and every people of this place, they follow Portuguese rules, Portuguese, they speak Portuguese language, and they do all the things like Portuguese, and they till now following their culture, following their rules and regulations. And presently I'm in front of a church, which is a famous church in this colony, and these colorful buildings where you can take lot of beautiful photos and you can do videography as well, because many movies, many film, many drama also shot here. And let's go ahead and show you a interesting place and a beautiful place in this video. As you are watching this, there are many cars. This is a parking area of this place, but first you see this beautiful church. After that I will show you a interesting facts. Here you can meet with a lot of foreigner and Indian girls as well. I saw these unknown girls was doing something in that area, but when I saw they come out from there. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls, unknown girls are here, and they are doing photography, because this is a place where you can make lot of beautiful videos, reels, shorts video, and other type of video as well. This is a house. I'm trying to shoot a video, but nobody is here. I think everybody is inside the house. Few people also restrict to make videos in front of their houses, but no Indian YouTuber, no Indian people follow their rules. If you like my today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more interesting facts of Goa. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.